Hello children, welcome to Math Park. In our park today we are going to learn about properties of triangle. Very important. So when we start with properties of triangle, let us first understand types of angles. So what are different types of angles? Acute angles. Acute angles are the angles which have measures less than 90. So from 0 degree to 90 degree are called acute angles. Then right angles are the angles which have measure exactly 90 degree. Then obtuse angles are the angles having the measure between 90 and 180. So 90 more than 90 and less than 180. Then a reflex angle is an angle having more than 180 and less than 360. And 360 is called a complete angle. That one more thing you remember. And 180 degree is called a straight angle. So these two more things just remember. Now let us understand the properties of triangles. So types of, for that we should know what are different types of triangles. So types of triangles are classified on the basis of their sides and on the basis of their angle. Let us first understand the types of triangles based on basis of their sides. Now what we observe here that each and every side of this triangle is equal. So such triangles are called equilateral triangles. The equal word itself suggests that. Here in this you can see that these two sides are equal. So if two sides of triangle are equal, then it is called an isosceles triangle. And in this triangle you can see that all of these markings, they show that all the three sides are of different length. So we say that this triangle is called an scalene triangle. Now let us understand the types of triangles based on the angle. Now if one angle of a triangle is right angle, it is called a right angled triangle. If one angle, if all the angles of a triangle are acute, just now we have seen acute, less than 90 degree, then it is called an acute angled triangle. And if any one angle, you can see this is 110, which is more than 90, so it is an obtuse. So if one angle of a triangle is obtuse, this is called obtuse angle triangle. Now that we have understood types of triangles, let us learn the angle sum property of a triangle. So you can see this triangle having three sides and three angles. So all of them colored. Say this is angle A, this is angle B and angle C. So if I cut open these triangles and fix them on a line, what will happen? Let us see here. So you can see this line, this blue line, which is actually not darkened over here. On that, if I fix this angle, this was my angle B. Let us take another angle over there. So this is my angle A, and then another angle over here, angle C. So what do you observe here? They get fixed on a line, and we know that the straight angle measures 180 degrees. So since the three angles of a triangle, they form a straight angle, we can say that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So this is how you can see in this triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Got it? So sum of all angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Let us now solve problems based on angle sum property of a triangle. So in this figure, you can see a triangle MNO. You are asked to find the angle NMO, which is lettered X over here. So to find angle O, let us see that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So by angle sum property of a triangle, we get x plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 180. We add all the three angles of a triangle. 30 plus 30 is 60. X plus 60 is equal to 180. When this 60 moves here, it will become minus. So you get x is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. That is how we get the value of x as 180 minus 60, 120 degree. This is how your angle NMO is now 120 degree. Got it, children? Let's solve one more question here. Find the measure of the unknown angle M in the figure. Okay, unknown angle M. Again, by angle sum property of a triangle, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. That is how you get M plus 62 plus 59 is 180. 62 plus 59 is 121. 121 moves here, you'll have to subtract. So M is equal to 180 minus 121. So this is how you get M as 59 degrees. Got it, children? Now, one more question. Okay, what does this square shape say? It says that this angle is 90 degrees. Come on, try finding the value of P. Pause the video and find it. Okay, let's check again. We write by angle sum property of a triangle. So we get P plus this is 90 plus 36 is 180. 90 plus 36 is 126. 126 moves there, it becomes 180 minus 126. So that is how P is equal to 54 degrees. How many of you got correct answer? Please pat yourself. Okay, let's take another question here. Calculate the size of each lettered angle. So now here there were only one unknown angle. Here there are two. Now this is an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, these two sides are equal. And one more property, children, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So that is how you get A is equal to 72 degrees. Since these two sides are equal, the angles which are opposite to those two sides will also be equal. That is how you get now. Now, since we now know two angles, by angle sum property of a triangle, we know that A plus B plus 72 will add up to 180. So now let us substitute the value of A, which we got at 72. So that is how we get 72 plus 72, which was 144. And B is equal to 180 minus 144, which is 36 degrees. Got it, children? Now let us understand exterior angle property of a triangle. So you can see that whenever one side is produced, this is called an exterior angle. When we extend one of the sides, we get an exterior angle. So exterior angle is here D, and these two are called interior opposite angles. So A and B are interior opposite angles. So this is how you get D is equal to A plus B. So exterior angle property was it? What does it state? That when a triangle side is extended, like this is the side which is extended, the resultant exterior angle, which is D here, is equal to the sum of measures of two interior opposite angles. So interior opposite angles are this. Okay. At the same time, if I take somewhere here E, now this is an exterior angle and this is an interior angle. An exterior and interior angle will always be supplementary. That is E plus D will be equal to 180 degrees. This happens with any polygon. The sum of exterior angle and interior adjacent. This is called interior adjacent. These are interior opposite with respect to exterior angle. The sum of exterior angle and interior adjacent angles will always be 180 degree. They both are supplementary. So using this property, we solve one question here, children. So we have a question, calculate the size of each lettered angle. So let us first use E plus 34. What property? Come on, tell me. E plus 34. So how is this 53? E and 34, they are interior opposite angle and 53 is an exterior angle. So this is by exterior angle property of a triangle. We got E plus 34 is equal to 53. Let us solve this equation. 34 shifts here, it becomes minus 34 and 53 minus 34 is 19 degrees. So this is how we calculated the value of E. Now let us find out D here. So D plus 53 is 180 degrees. As I told you that interior and exterior angle, interior adjacent, these two are the neighboring angles. They fall on a straight line. So sum of these two angles will always be 180 degrees. So interior and exterior angle of any polygon are supplementary. Supplementary means they add up to 180 degrees. Using this, we got the value of D as 180 minus 53, which is 127 degrees. Did you understand, children, both the properties of a triangle? We are coming up with many more properties of triangle. Stay tuned to the channel, subscribe if you have not, and if you like the video, do not forget to share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.